Hi everyone, this is the last video for Quinoa Pizza. But topping is the fun part. Yay! Let's start with the cold toppings. This is the Quinoa Pizza crust that I shared with you at my previous video. If you have a topping that doesn't want to heat up, use the pizza crust that you baked until it gets crispy. And added tomato sauce. Also, I posted how to make this quick and easy and delicious tomato sauce at my previous video. For toppings, you can add anything you like. I used prosciutto and mozzarella for simple toppings. And I added mixed herbs. Then I sprayed extra virgin olive oil in the end. And done. So next one is, if you have an ingredient that you want to bake, use the pizza crust that half baked, and same as before, add tomato sauce and add your favorite toppings. Well, if you like to add pineapple, you can add it too. I added shredded cheese. Well, you can add your favorite cheese too, and you can create your own original toppings. I recently found this delicious Japanese soft salami, so I cut it and add it on the top. Then shredded the Parmesan cheese on top. And added fresh ground black pepper. Bake 3 to 5 minutes with 210 Celsius or 410 Fahrenheit oven, and done. Also, please join and cook with me in Japanese or English at online courses. Thank you for watching. I have a same video in Japanese too. Please give me thumbs up, and to watch new video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.